Zine, the performance review. Characters: Leo, a project manager; Marcus, a department director. Setting: a quiet glass-walled office overlooking the city. Marcus is looking over a quarterly report as Leo walks in. Thanks for coming in, Leo. I wanted to sit down and look at the trajectory of the Phoenix project. Honestly, the results are impressive. Thanks, Marcus. I'm really proud of the team. We faced some hurdles, but I have managed three similar scale-ups in the past, and I have developed a specific workflow for handling sudden shifts in client requirements. That experience definitely kept us on track this month. It shows. You have got a knack for staying calm under pressure. However, I noticed the final deployment was delayed by 2 days last week. What happened there? Right, that was a bottleneck in quality assurance. To be fair, the dev team had been working around the clock for 3 weeks straight before the servers finally crashed. By the time we hit the final testing phase, everyone was exhausted, and the hardware just could not keep up with the constant builds. I see. It's a shame about the crash, though. It pushed the client presentation to Friday. I agree. Looking back, if we had upgraded the server capacity in the first month, we would have avoided that entire downtime period. It's a lesson learned for the next phase. Exactly. Let's make sure that's in the budget for next quarter so we don't repeat the stress. Other than that, great work.